My name is Miriam Mwangi, pursuing a diploma in Food and Beverage Production at Jodan College. Jodan College has impacted my skills. I've improved my skills on cooking, baking, and other culinary arts. Now, I'm sure that I'm good at them, all thanks to my tutors, the best tutors, because they are skilled, they are trained, and they give the best education. I can advise someone to join Jodan College because it has the best tutors. They are friendly, and the environment is conducive for learning. At Jodan College, you gain skills. At Jodan College, you gain morals. And at Jodan College, it's affordable because the fee structure it's fair, and they have given us, we pay in installments, so I would give credit to our director for that. I would advise anyone to come to Jodan College because it gives the best skills, and our teachers are friendly. The tutors are friendly, and it has improved infrastructure, and it has a conducive learning environment.